Wow, hello everyone, this is PROMA Interior, your floor expert when it comes to floor. We give you the best of it all in modern floor. We just finished a 6-bedroom complex duplex for a client at Onitsha here, and this is what we did for the client. Let's go through the floor. This is the first sitting room. Look at the floor. We carefully selected the design for the client, and it is so lovely, so lovely. You can see the flower, the roses on the floor. We did it carefully for the client. So this is the first sitting room. So let's go to the toilet. Let me take you around to what we did for the client. This is the visitor's toilet. We carefully selected this design. We carefully selected this design for the client. This is the visitor's toilet. And let's go to the chapel. The client is a Christian and a spiritual person, so he needs something that will represent prayer for him. And I carefully selected this design for the client. This is a dove that represents prayer, that represents God, that represents spirituality, and at the same time represent purity. So this is a dove there. So let's go up so that I will show you the upstairs, what we did upstairs. So you can always reach us on 090-364-74655. Our office address is at PROMA Modern Market by Mogadishu Cantonment, Abuja. That is where our office is. Right? We give you guarantee of 20 years on all our jobs. Let me take you through the lobby. This is the lobby. This is the lobby. We carefully selected a simple design for the lobby. So I will take you through the lobby, then take you to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. I call this kitchen a fruitful kitchen because it's a combination of fruits. You can see how beautiful the kitchen is. We can make your kitchen look more better than this. We have a lot of thousands of designs and we can help your kitchen look more better than how it looks. As I said, our contact address is contact number is 090-364-744 That's our contact number. Let's go to the last sitting room. This is the sitting room. We selected the design again for the client, and it's so lovely. The client was so happy that we did this design for him. Let's go through the design. Go through the dining section, the small dining section. This was a house that could have lost its shape, but PROMA Interior Touch gave it the best. PROMA Interior Touch gave him the best. So you can always reach us on 090-364-74655. Our office address is at PROMA Modern Market by Mogadishu Cantonment, Abuja, but we deliver our work nationwide. We deliver nationwide on all our jobs. Moreover, you can follow us on Facebook at PROMA Interior. You can also follow us on Instagram at PROMA Interior, YouTube, and also on PROMA Interior. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to doing business with you. Thank you.